Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the expression 6 divided by 2 bracket 6 divided by 2. What people do 6 divided by 2 as 3, 2 times 3 as 6 and 6 divided by 6 as 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. Yes, you had it right. When in an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like division, bracket, then in bracket there is a division, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then order, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we solve the bracket. 6 divided by 2 as 3, 6 divided 2 times 3. Now division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to always solve from left to right. So it's 6 divided by 2 times 3, that is 3 times 3, 9. So what is the correct answer? 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.